Thinking about hitting the gym and packing on some serious muscle? That's awesome. But beware. Most beginners are making fatal mistakes that completely crush their progress. Mistake number one, focusing on weight, not form. Forget your ego. Lifting too heavy with bad form won't build muscle. It will only lead to injury. Master the movement first, then add the plates. Mistake number two, copying advanced routines. Don't start with a split that pro bodybuilders use. As a beginner, full body workouts 3 times a week are your golden ticket to massive growth. Mistake number 3, overtraining and skipping rest days. Muscles don't grow in the gym, they grow while you rest. If you're there 7 days a week, you're actually burning your gains. Mistake number 4, undereating. You need to feed your muscles to make them grow. Without a calorie surplus and enough protein, all that hard work is for nothing. Eat big to get big. And mistake number 5, looking for a magic pill. There are no shortcuts. Building muscle takes consistency, patience, and hard work. Trust the process and you will see results. Avoid these traps, stay consistent, and you'll be ahead of 90% of the people in the gym. If you're ready to start your journey, hit that subscribe button and let's get those gains together.